This week and in the coming weeks, we will show you what are the different types of standard probes that's used on ANCA machines and how to qualify them, and what are the parameters that is required before you qualify them. So from the applications menu, go into the probe qualification. You can see a standard probe which is standard or supplied with all the ANCA machines, and we have the wheel probe which is a purchase option, and this is used for qualifying wheels inside the machine, internal qualification of wheel packs. On the standard probe, we have different types of standard probes. So we have the standard probe, the vertical Ruby probe, the horizontal Ruby probe. In the standard probe alone, we have different types. We have the left hand, the right hand, and the double edge. And so from next week onwards, we will show you where the left hand chamfer or the right hand chamfer double edged, or where the vertical Ruby probe, horizontal Ruby probe, etc. are used.